guys, let's talk about our work in our new packet about our new book. So parents, if you are watching this, this is the reading schedule that I'm following. So for the book, this is what I'm following. You're more than welcome to do whatever you need. But I'm kind of going to space out the activities. So you're supposed to do 2 reading and 2 math a week. So I'm going to space them out every other day. So Mondays and Wednesdays are going to be math activity days that I'll upload, and reading activities will be Tuesdays and Thursdays. You are more than welcome to do whatever works for you. But I just figured instead of piling everything on Thursday and Friday, we could just spread it out throughout the week. So again, math will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and reading will be Tuesday, Thursday. So for today on Monday, or not Monday, goodness gracious, it's Thursday. For Thursday, since we're starting a little bit late, because we've had packet pickup and stuff like that, we're gonna talk about the first reading activity and the first math activity. So your first reading activity, there's a little song that you can sing that's kind of talking about the characters of the story. But the reading activity is Bat's Cave. And remember, that was the title of chapter 2. Let me go grab my journal real quick. Okay, sorry about that. But that was all about chapter 2. So when we learned about his room, remember he called it his Bat Cave. So the directions over here say Bat's room was his favorite place in the world. In his room, Bat felt completely comfortable. So that was a sentence that Miss Shrum or your mom or dad read from the story. So this says, draw a picture of your favorite room and describe it on the lines below. You can draw a picture and then tell your mom and dad what you wrote about. So what it wants you to do is use this sentence stem. My favorite room is. So where is your favorite room in your house? Bat's was his bedroom. Maybe yours is somewhere different. And then I like it because. So why do you like that room? Bat loved his room because he felt completely comfortable there. So that's why Miss Shrum gave you your journals. So you can open to your page, a clean page, because you guys have used some pages in there. Because these are not very good kindergarten writing lines. They're pretty small. So you can write those same things. You write my favorite, use those finger spaces. Room is, goodness gracious, Miss Shrum's handwriting is not very good today. My favorite room is, and if I don't have enough space, I can bring it down here because I have plenty of room, and then put a period after your favorite room in your house. Then I can use what they gave me over here too. I like it because. So whenever someone asks you why you like something, you say because. Why do you like that room? Is it fun? Do you feel safe? Does it have your favorite toys? Why do you like the room that you picked? And then after you write those things down, don't forget your period at the end. Then you got a much bigger space to draw that picture of your favorite room and why it's so special to you. So that's why we have our journals, just so you have a little more space, because this is not a lot of space. So that's it for reading activity 1. Now we're going to jump into the first math activity. So we have some food on our math activity page. I'm sure I'm just going to use our book to cover up the bottom. There we go. So foods in your kitchen, part 1. So it says Bat only liked to eat certain kinds of food. Look for food items in your kitchen that are shaped like circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles. Name the shapes as you sort the food items into the 4 shape groups. For example, a cookie is a circle and a slice of cheese is a square. Count the number of items in each shape group and write down your answers below. So if you go into your pantry or your fridge and you find different shaped foods, like a slice of turkey, those are circles sometimes. So find different foods and you're going to sort them. Which ones are circles, which are rectangles, which are squares, and which are triangles. And then you're going to count them. So if you only find 1 of each, that's okay. Or maybe you find 4 circles, 5 squares, 1 triangle, 1 rectangle. So just try your best on finding those foods. And that's your first part of the food math activity. And then we'll move on to activity 2. So kind of use what they've given you as a reference and then see if you can get creative and find these other shapes in your house. Remember, a circle has no straight sides. A rectangle has 2 long and 2 short. A square has 4 equal sides, so all the sides are the same. And then a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. So use kind of the pictures they gave you to help you and see what you can find in your kitchen. And I would love to see those different foods. You can show Minnie, Miss Shrum, those different foods that you have in your house. So that's it for today's activities, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.